Do you know how complicated it is to produce a car? There are thousands of powertrain parts just for cars. Today we will take a look at what are the main components of the most complex powertrain of a car. This is a Volkswagen 1.5T turbo engine. There are over 1,000 parts on it. It is one of the most delicate devices in a car. This is a Volkswagen 7-speed dry dual-clutch transmission. There are hundreds of parts inside. The function is to flexibly adjust the power output by changing the transmission pen. This is the starter, responsible for driving the engine to start. Design life up to 100,000 times. It can be used for 55 years if it is started 5 times a day on average. This is a generator for a car. The electricity used by the car is generated through it. This is an air conditioner compressor. By compressing the air pie refrigerant and causing it to circulate through the system, realize cooling in the car? This is more belts for the engine. Original factory recommended 90,000 kilometer inspection, 120,000 kilometer replacement. This is the half axle of the car. Its function is to transfer power from the engine to the wheels, one on the left and one on the right. The above assembly together is the power layer of the engine. One might think, will there be problems with so many parts often? You don't have to worry about that. Automotive technology is very mature today. The probability of failure is extremely low, and car companies like Volkswagen are also launching holographic fuel SUVs. Enjoy lifetime quality assurance of the whole vehicle and lifetime quality assurance of holographic original spare parts for a limited time. Any quality problems in the parts can be replaced for free, so don't worry at all.